Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. This article outlines a practical and eco-friendly method for transforming an obsolete PC monitor into a fully functional smart TV using an HDMI streaming stick, such as Chromecast, Fire TV, or Roku. This DIY solution promotes the circular economy by reducing electronic waste and providing a cost-effective alternative to purchasing a new television. Key technical considerations. Connectivity. While modern monitors with HDMI ports allow for direct connection, older models with VGA or DVI inputs require compatible adapters. Audio integration. Since many monitors lack built-in speakers, audio must be managed externally via auxiliary outputs, HDMI audio extractors, or Bluetooth pairing through the streaming device. Setup. The process is straightforward, requiring only a stable Wi-Fi connection and a power source for the streaming stick. Although this setup lacks a traditional TV tuner for broadcast cable, it serves as an efficient digital streaming hub. It is an ideal solution for secondary rooms or home offices, successfully extending the life cycle of hardware that would otherwise contribute to global e-waste. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.